The worst thing about Google Ads is that they are spending 40 to 80% of advertisers' budgets on hidden search terms in the name of privacy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm revealing what those other search terms are and how you can actually exclude them for the first time ever. Check it out. To basically be able to predict the other search terms, if you can see here on this chart, the cost of other search terms is significantly higher. The red is the other search terms, which is really unfortunate. Now, there are conversions on it, which is good, but the CPA is just really massive, and the other search terms is basically taking up 90%. So basically, what if you could predict what those other search terms are and either exclude them or find those potential winning keywords? So if you go here and click predict likely hidden terms, it basically goes through my proprietary system to predict what those hidden terms are. And in all of the tests that I've run, by excluding all of the things that have come up, I have been able to exclude all other search terms in the accounts that I've been working on, which has been pretty cool. So you can see here that all of these are effectively other possible search terms that could be showing up. And right here is the actual volume, which is like coming from Keyword Planner. Now, these other search terms are not sourced from Keyword Planner. They're basically going through my proprietary system to find those, and then it's being these specific search terms are basically fetching the volume when it comes to that specific term. So you can see that they're all super low in volume. And I've seen that the numbers are actually off when it comes to, like, for example, 10 searches a month. I've seen actual impressions be 200. And it's because the keyword planner is definitely not as accurate. But what you can end up doing is saying, okay, this is a good keyword. I want to go after it. Medical record review services for attorneys, and this and this. And basically you can isolate it into its own, effectively its own campaign, or campaigns, and basically bid on those specifically, or you can go ahead and literally go and exclude them. I like to basically clean it all up and try and negate everything else out, and then bring some of the really good high intent keywords into their own campaigns and such.